It's football season, and you know that only means one thing for me. What are we snacking on for game day? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a spicy jerk chicken nachos. So let's get started. First, I've got a chicken here that I've cut into half, and I'm about to slather on some of this spicy jerk seasoning. I found this at my local supermarket, but you can also find this on Amazon. Now I'm gonna pop these into my air fryer for 12 minutes, flip halfway through. And now we're gonna get started on the chips and the cheese. So now I'm gonna work on my chips. I love these Santitas tortilla chips, so that's what I'm going in with today. I'm gonna do a double layer. So my first layer, I'm just gonna put this on a tray, a baking tray, because I'm gonna bake this off for 3 minutes so that cheese gets nice and melty. But I layer this because, like, who likes to get to the bottom of nachos and there's no cheese? So that's my little tray. So first layer down, let's do a second layer. I'm just using some creamy melt sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm using about a handful each time. So a handful of cheese went in the first time and a handful of cheese are coming in on the second time. I'm just gonna pop this into my toaster oven for no more than 3 minutes. How to dice your tomatoes for nachos or tacos or fajitas. I'm gonna use a serrated knife because this one is easier to cut the tomatoes. I've got a large size plum tomato here. I'm just gonna cut the tip off, and then I'm gonna cut that baby in half, and then I'm take the half and cut that again in half, so we have long pieces like this. And then I'm gonna cut them lengthwise 4 times, and then cut them horizontally 5 times to give me these perfectly diced tomatoes. So I've got these nachos. They just came out of the toaster oven. As you can see, that cheese is nice and melty. Now we're gonna top it off with some onions, some tomatoes, and some jalapeños. My jerk chicken is still in the air fryer cooking. I'm about to flip that soon. How to dice a red onion for your nachos. I'm just gonna cut this baby in half. And I'm gonna peel off the skin. Get all of that onion peel off here. Just like that. I'm gonna cut the tip end off here. And then I'm gonna go in horizontally about 2 or 3 times and make slits that way. And then I'm gonna cut down, make little slits this way on the opposite side. And then we're just gonna chop them up. There you go, you get perfect pieces just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna get my nachos off of this baking tray here. I just flipped my chicken over, so that should be ready in another 5 to 7 minutes. Let me get all this cheesy nachos on here. Voila. Perfect. Now we're gonna top it with 1 tomato that's diced. Just get that all over there. I'm gonna come in with 1/4 of a jalapeno that's diced, coming in hot here. And then I've got 1/4 of a red onion that's also diced that I'm gonna top this off with. I love those colors, it's so pretty. That's why I used the purple onion instead. You see that? We're not done yet though, we gotta put some chicken on here. Okay, so my chicken is ready. I took it out of the air fryer, I diced it up. You can still see some steam coming off there. I'm just gonna top it off. Our lovely nachos right here with this jerk chicken. Oh, it's a lot of chicken. Yummy. And if you think we're done, we're not. I'm gonna go in with some store-bought queso and just sprinkle some of that cheesy goodness on here. It's so sinful, I know, but this is gonna be great for any game day party. And here you have it, spicy jerk chicken nachos. Love tap that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.